In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a LinkedIn feed into your Wix website using the Wix Editor in Chrome. This is a great way to keep your visitors updated with your latest LinkedIn activities and enhance your site's professional appeal. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you've opened the Wix Editor in the Chrome browser. Wix is optimized for Chrome, so this will give you the best experience and ensure that all features work smoothly. Once you're in the editor, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options and tools designed to help you build your website. Click on the option that reads Add. This will pop open a new set of options for things you can add to your site. From the list that appears, find and click on Social. Adding social elements to your website is a fantastic way to enhance engagement and connectivity with your audience. So, in this section, you'll see several social platform options. Look for and select LinkedIn feed. If you don't spot this option immediately, you can also explore third-party apps by navigating to the Wix app market, which is packed with additional tools and widgets that you can incorporate into your website. Now it's time to connect your LinkedIn account. A prompt should appear asking you to log into LinkedIn. Enter your login details and Wix will take care of the rest by hooking up your LinkedIn feed to your website. This step intertwines your professional social media updates right into your online presence, ensuring that your visitors can easily follow your business journey. With your LinkedIn account successfully connected, it's time to customize the feed's layout and appearance. Wix is known for its flexibility and customizability, allowing you to adjust how your feed looks to better match your website's existing theme and style. Take your time to explore different layouts, colors, and settings. This is your opportunity to make sure the LinkedIn feed complements the rest of your site and appears attractive and professional to your visitors. Once you're satisfied with the customizations, you'll want to decide where on your site the LinkedIn feed will live. You can place it on your homepage or any other page you think visitors would find most useful. Drag and drop it to the perfect spot, ensuring it fits in seamlessly with the rest of your content. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the top right of your screen and hit it to make sure all your hard work isn't lost. And finally, don't forget to publish your site. By clicking Publish, your updated site with its new LinkedIn feed will go live for the world to see. And there you have it, a LinkedIn feed integrated into your Wix site, offering a seamless connection between your website's visitors and your professional updates. Be sure to explore and tweak different settings until you get everything just right. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!